Using a med kit. 1 sec.
Another guy.
Oh, fuck.
I don't have any ammo.
I'm coming. I have ammo.
Squad.
Never mind.
That's the last one.
God damn it.
Fucking right out. Thought you got finished off.
I did. Matthew brought me back. Yeah, what a guy, right?
Right next to your respawn thing.
Need to recharge my shields.
I did not know that 2 teams got you.
Neither did we till we got shot on.
Okay. Anyway.
This dude did a fucking, it was like Yoshi said it, kill
Picking
horse.
myself up.
He's in the middle of a intense fight and he says, you know what? Fuck it, I'm killing
Guy named-
somebody.
Is there a guy near you?
I think it was me, dude.
There's no way. There's no way that's you.
All father, give me sight.
There's no way you're. Yep!
Put the lead down range. Tango spotted. Danger close.
Placing a portal.
Pop and smoke.
I set the portal.
He has a gold shield, I'd be careful.
Pop in the chimney.
They spotted me. Taking shots.
Fire.
Throwing arc star.
Reloading.
Might have seen.
One more.
Tango down.
One coming at me! Fuck!
No shields.
Enemy taken.
Got her.
Let's go.
Nice work.
I heard somebody slide, I was like, I'm fucking
Oh,
with
please let me
somebody.
get the shield.
Hell yeah. Reloading.
The champion made a poor choice.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right. They're like right the fuck there. I'm already here, man, we're fighting it.
I'm coming. Don't worry, they're fighting another team.
Papers knocking at the door.
There's a guy on me. I knocked someone down with my ult. There's at least 2 of them.
Reloading.
Taylor, can you get me?
I'm gonna get Matthew up, Yoshi.
Enemy down.
I'm
Reload.
using a Phoenix kit.
Frag out. Reloading.
God, it's so good.
Reloading. Whole squad down.
There's another team here, be careful.
The enemy.
Oh boy!
Reloading. Taking shots. Reloading.
Giving him the shim.
Got him?
Them inside the ring. Down style and Scotty.
Reloading. Reloading.
Reloading. Whole unit.
There we go, now I'm starting to pull my weight. Oh shit, boys!
Getting shot at.
Coming from over there. I marked it.
Recharging my shields.
Ow.
Double timing it.
You see him? He's in our building.
He dropped the ult.
Fire.
Ult was dropped.
Coming from our side, coming from our side.
Smoke this building, smoke this building.
Smoking. There's guys behind us too.
I'm getting hit over here.
This is not good.
Recharging my shields.
Taking a med kit. 1 sec. Taking fire.
I'm down. Get me.
I downed an enemy. Reloading.
Didn't either one of you.
Enemy down. Killed an enemy.
Drop it. Dropping down.
You've been hitting the right one.
One behind that rock. Behind that rock.
Got him.
I just dusted
Rob,
an entire
I'm
unit.
gonna go through this portal. It'll probably bring me back up.
He had the massive shot.
It's so bad.
There's another one.
Oh, Taylor, why'd you drop down?
Need to recharge my
Because you
shields.
guys dropped down.
I came up.
I dropped down a long time. I could use a Phoenix kit, but I don't know if I have one. I do.
Taking a moment to heal.
Give my shields a recharge.
Alright.
Alright, where's this last one? Whew, I need some heals.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
There's a digital threat. I could really use it.
He's got more slot then.
Yep. Any light ammo on him? No. There's plenty on this guy though.
Punching a tunnel.
Warning. Ring closing.
Portal's ready.
We're inside the ring. Got the position monitored.
Heads up. Care package coming in.
I need light ammo.
There was like 100 down that body down there.
I got it. I just need more.
Patching myself up.
430.
Taking a knee.
You think you can drop 100?
Taking fire.
Oh! I'm getting shot! I'm getting shot!
Double timing it. I'm in the chest.
Wow, I'm so
Fuck.
bad.
Frag out.
Countdown.
My shields are recharged.
I'm taking the portal.
Get on the ship. One sec.
You're in their sights.
Oh my god, behind us. There's a sniper behind us. That way, he's just popping us.
Firing.
You've gotta be joking. Knock one.
Already on my
Number
mark.
two.
Firing for effect.
Reloading.
Taking a knee.
No, it's me, it's me.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Reloading.
Got them all. Take the ball.
I just killed them both. No, I killed them both with my bomb.
Damn.
Oh, you did? Damn.
Got a squad mate's banner.
Wow.
That was pretty great. Yo.
Somebody drop shotgun ammo for me, please.
Recharge
One
my
right
shields.
outside. No shields.
I downed a hostile. I took an enemy's life.
I need shotgun ammo.
Recharging my shields.
I'm gonna do the last.
Body shield here. Level 2. Helmet here.
Oh, yeah, on this guy,
Someone
on this guy, on this guy. Put your smoke on it. Smoke on it.
Yep.
Give my shields a recharge.
Someone's rushing us. Clear. Oh, maybe not.
One more squad.
We're probably gonna go there.
Let's go this way.
So just be ready to fire there.
Warning. Ring closing.
Use the map as your guide. The ring is moving.
Watch for the zip line.
Yep, there they go.
Yep, there they are.
They're low. They're low. Push. We can win that fight.
They ran.
They're down. They dropped their ult.
Got one.
Got him.
Easy. Digital threat.
Me.
Nah, probably Taylor.
Yeah.
You are the
I actually
Apex
fucking
champions.
came through with the help. I wasn't a dad at the end.